Do you have what it takes to work for the FBI? Well, let's find out by solving one of their challenges. In 2008, the Federal Bureau of Investigation published a new challenge in which a secret message must be cracked. With the help of Tesseract, we can first extract the text on the image and save it to a file. If we then pass this to ChatGPT, we do not get the decrypted message, but an indication of what kind of encryption was used here. The encrypted text appears to be a simple substitution cipher where each letter has been replaced with another letter. To decrypt it, we can try to decipher the text using a process of trial and error. ChatGPT thinks the text has been encrypted using a simple substitution cipher. And by simple, we mean monoalphabetic. That is, each letter of the alphabet is uniquely mapped to another letter. This is also called a bijective mapping. With this information, we will now try to solve the puzzle. First, we need a starting point to work from. Line 5 looks like a link or URL. The number of letters between the dots indicate that the official website of the FBI might be meant here. That is www.fbi.gov. That would already identify some letters. Y translates to W. A translates to F. H translates to B. B translates to I. M translates to G. S translates to O. And K translates to V. Afterwards, we translate the individual letters in the text with what we have found so far. Where do we go from here? Well, we could guess the letter L in this triple by considering which trigrams beginning with I and ending with G are common in English. This could be ING, which means L translates to N. We now translate the L in the rest of the secret message and continue. This word here could mean visit. That would make sense because the FBI might be asking us to visit a website. That would give us 2 more letters right away. We now add our findings to the rest of the secret message. In this word here, the H in TH is missing, very probably. So the O becomes an H, which we can add in all other places of the secret message. A word made up of 2 letters that begins with a W? There are not so many possibilities, and the assumption is obvious that this could be an E. Consequently, D translates to E. The fact that this letter occurs very often in the secret message speaks for it. Next, let's take a look at this word here. It consists of 4 different letters. In the context of a crypto challenge, the assumption is obvious that the word is encryption. N translates to C, I translates to R, G translates to Y, and T translates to P. Now we have already been able to decipher a large part of the text. There's not much left to crack. In this word here above, the U could be missing. That means W translates to U, and then it says U. If you write a K in front of the word now, it becomes the word no. Therefore, Q translates to K. You can surely already guess what's missing here. Correct. An A, that means J translates to A. Well, the rest is very easy. E translates to L, and C translates to D. Now we are missing only 1 letter, namely the C in the URL. There are not so many letters that make sense here, to be honest, only 1, namely M. Then we address an .htm document. Done. Some letters did not appear in the secret message, so no translation is needed for them. However, when we call the given URL, we will be disappointed. It leads to nothing. Also, other spellings with upper and lowercase letters or even different file extensions do not lead to anything. This is not because we were unable to solve the challenge, but because the FBI has taken down the page in the meantime. Like many other pages, but this page is from the FBI itself, so no problems here. After all, the puzzle is from 2008, so I think we can forgive them. Did you like the challenge? Do you want to see more crypto challenges? Well, then let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.